If you're over 40 and wondering if it's too late to start making money online, let me show you exactly how I did it with no experience, little confidence, and no tech background. Friend, it's really not too late to start an online business. And I want to tell you there is a business you can start without any experience. I was just like you. I was working my 9 to 5, feeling tired, drained, and watching others online living this freedom lifestyle. Then one day I just thought, why not me? I mean, they are just ordinary, everyday people like you and me who decided to look into the online business space regardless of their age, regardless of my age, which is just a number. Now, then, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how I started my online business from scratch as a complete beginner with no experience, and how I've been able to build something real with the support of an incredible community of people behind me with entrepreneurial skills. So stick with me because I'm going to give you full step-by-step instructions and even show you how you can do it too. Step number 1 is all about your mindset shift. Firstly, I had to overcome the belief that I was too old to start something new. But listen up, we've got something younger folks don't have. That is life experience, wisdom, and the resilience to bounce back. I soon realized that I didn't need to be techie or trendy. I just needed to be me. And I also realized that a straight path made more sense for me. That's when I found out that there's a way to sell digital products like courses, templates, and guides using systems that run in the background. So the system I'm using and continue to use to set it all up is System.io, which is easy to use, and I certainly didn't have to be a guru. You just need to be willing to learn with simple instructions. So step number 2 is finding the right system. I wasted a lot of time trying to watch free YouTube videos, jumping from one hustle to the next. What finally worked for me? I found the perfect solution, a done for you digital business system. It included everything I needed. It had step by step digital marketing training, my own online business setup, tools to automate your income, a weekly supportive mentorship community of people so that I never felt stuck. And the best part, I didn't need to create the course from scratch. It came ready to go. So I just had to plug it in, take action, take steps, listen to the instructions, and do. So step number 3 is taking action. The first action, I showed up and I followed the steps. I asked questions in the live mentorship calls. I wasn't alone, and it was for me, that was a game changer. The weekly support made sure I didn't quit on myself when I got stuck setting up email automations and building my brand. It's so easy to get stuck when you're on your own, but having a community of like-minded people makes everything worth it. I really didn't have to figure it out alone because I had people rooting for me, showing me what to do next. That's why I always say you're not just buying a course, you're joining a team of like-minded business people with entrepreneurial mindset ready to help. So step number 4, my first win. When I made my first sale, it was like winning the lottery. I was overflowing with such joy. I was elated. As you can imagine, I was screaming. My first sale didn't make me rich overnight, but it proved to me what was possible when you take the right actions. That first sale told me, you've got this. And it didn't stop there. Month after month, my income continued to grow. And now my mission is simple, to help you do the same. So, if you've been searching for a legit way to make money online without starting from scratch, and you want help, and I mean real help and real support, not just a login and good luck, you're on your own, then this Digital Profits You course and weekly mentorship is exactly what you've been looking for. It's been designed for people like you and me, over 40, no fluff, straight to the point, and proven to work. So go ahead, click the link below in the description to learn more. And please hit that like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help your girls' channel grow. So drop me a comment down below. I'm ready to start, or this gave me hope. And I will reply to every comment. I'll help you get unstuck. So let's get on our way to making this journey together. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.